Welcome dear students. Today we are going to solve chapter 17 of class 5. We will do the exercise work of cleanliness. Let's start. Number 1. Answer these questions. A. What was the remark about the city? Answer. This city is dirty was the remark about the city. B. Where is the garbage? Answer. There is garbage everywhere. C. What are we taught from childhood? Answer. We are taught to be clean from childhood. D. Where do people throw wrappers? Answer is people throw wrappers on the ground. E. Who can make the city clean? Answer. We can make the city clean. F. How can we make our city clean? Answer is we can make our city clean with strong desire. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. The people say that this city is dash. Answer is dirty. There is garbage on the roadside and public dash. Answer is parks. We are taught from dash to be clean. Answer is childhood. We sip the dash and dash the chips. Answers are fruity, munch. We throw the dash on the ground. Answer is wrappers. There is garbage all dash. Answer is around. We can make our city clean like dash. Answer is Paris. We should have strong dash to do so. Answer is desire. Thus this paragraph is ready. Once I am reading this paragraph, the people say that this city is dirty. There is garbage on the roadside and public parks. We are taught from childhood to be clean. We sip the fruity and munch the chips. We throw the wrappers on the ground. There is garbage all around. We can make our city clean like Paris. We should have a strong desire to do so. Next question is question number 3. Question number 3 says, make sentences from the given words. Question number 3. A. Remark. Answer is, what is your remark about it? Now B. Public. Bus stand is a public place. C. Clean. My dress is clean. D. Childhood. He has been working since childhood. E. Wrapper. Do not throw wrapper. F. Garbage. There is garbage everywhere. G. Difficult. His work is difficult. Now we should come to question number 4. Question number 4 says, match column A and column B. Answer is ready for you. High-heeled, cold-blooded, broad-minded, empty-handed, multicolored, short-sleeved, kind-hearted. Now next question. Question number 5. Underline the conjunctions and write in the given space. Moti as well as Hari was responsible. Conjunction is as well as. Run fast, else you will be late. Conjunction is else. 3. Many of you can read English, but you cannot speak English. Answer is but. He was guilty, therefore he was hanged. Answer is therefore. E. While there is life, there is hope. Answer is while. F. I met my friend when I was going to school. Answer is when. G. She did it because she had to do it. Answer is because. H. He was a thief, so he was punished. Answer is so. I. Speak the truth or be silent. Answer is or. J. Shikha and Ravina are sisters. Answer is and. Question number 6. Rewrite the sentences using the adverb in proper place. A. P.T. Usha runs. Adverb is given fast. Answer is P.T. Usha runs fast. B. This is a sweet mango. Word is given berry. Answer is this is a very sweet mango. I have visited the Taj Mahal. Adverb is twice. Answer I have visited the Taj Mahal twice. D. Barking dogs bite. Word is seldom. Barking dogs seldom bite. She tries to do her best. Word is always. Answer she always tries to do her best. 6. Rewrite the sentences using the adverb in its proper place. Some more sentences are left here. That is F. You are wrong. Word is quite. Answer is you are quite wrong. G. Indian soldiers fought in Kargil. Word is given bravely. Answer is Indian soldiers fought bravely in Kargil. H. Please try. Word is again. Answer is please try again. I. Leave me alone. Word is given kindly. Answer is kindly leave me alone. J. Sakshi writes. Adverb is given neatly. Sakshi writes neatly. Number 7. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. 2 words are given at the end of the sentence. One is the suitable that you have to write here. Cricket is played for peace. P-E-A-C-E. Peace. Dash makes a man perfect. Practice. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E. Practice makes a man perfect. Money is the dash of all evils. Answer is root R-O-O-T. Money is the root of all evils. D. Throw dash materials in the dustbin. Answer is waste. W-A-S-T-E. Throw waste materials in the dustbin. E. We bring milk from dash. Answer is dairy. Answer is dairy. D-A-I-R-Y. We bring milk from dairy. Next question is Khushi has dash friends. Answer is some. SOME. Khushi has some friends. G. Do you dash the fact? Answer is no. KNOW. Do you know the fact? H. The cow has dash legs. Answer is 4. FOUR. The cow has 4 legs. I. She is too dash to walk. Answer is weak. WEAK. She is too weak to walk. J. They are dash for this job. Answer is fit. FIT. They are fit for this job. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.